Santo Domingo is the capital city of the Dominican Republic and the largest city in the country. The city has a rich history that dates back to the colonial period. It was founded by the brother of Christopher Columbus in 1496 and served as the first seat of Spanish colonial rule in the New World. The city is home to many historic landmarks, including the Alcazar de Colón, which was the residence of the son of Christopher Columbus and is now a museum. For its beautiful beaches, historic landmarks, and vibrant nightlife. The Zona Colonial, which is the Old City, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for tourists. Santo Domingo has a tropical climate with temperatures that range from 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius throughout the year. The city experiences a rainy season from May to October. The population of Santo Domingo is diverse and includes people of European, African, and indigenous descent. Spanish is the official language, and the majority of the population is Roman Catholic. The cuisine of Santo Domingo is a blend of Spanish, African, and indigenous influences. Some of the most popular dishes include sancocho, which is a stew made with meat and vegetables, and mango, which is a dish made with mashed plantains. Santo Domingo has a diverse economy that includes tourism, manufacturing, and services. The city is home to many multinational companies, and the government has implemented policies to encourage foreign investment.